Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. In my last couple of my videos, I explained about how to create a web application using Django Framework in Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. And this video is continuation to my previous video. As I said, right, I'm just creating a web application using Django Framework in Python. So in my last video, what I did is like I just created a model called product, and this is a kind of table. And with the help of these two commands like make migration and migration, we just run this command to run the migration over there. And what it is like, we just added these models or our product inside the admin panel with a single line of code, right? So we use this admin as an object, and this is the object which is imported over here in line number 1. This object has a site or which is called as an attribute, and it has a method called register. We are calling this method and passing our product, which is a model, the product model as an argument. With this, we are just telling to the Django that we want to manage our product in the admin area. So with this one line of code, what it is like, we just added in the administration panel. So here what it is like, I just added five objects over here, like just by just clicking this add product over here. Now here we didn't write any code for this activity and all, like for this form or handling this click activities like the save button or delete, or we didn't write anything, or to insert or remove, we didn't write anything. All these are automatically generated by Django. So what we did is like we just added some product over here, and now it's listing like this a kind of an object. I don't want to like this, I just want to like a kind of customization, like I want to display only like name, stock and price. For that, what you do is like we just want to do some simple enough code that will be very easy. Just let's do it. Before that, what we can do is like we just created one more model called offers, right? Just we want to add this offers in the administration panel. For that, what we can do is like we just add the offer model over here, just added it here. Similarly, we want to register it with the admin object. It has the attribute called site, and we want to register it over there. Just register it our offer model. Just pass the offer model. That's it. Now, if you refresh it over here, you can able to see the offers will listed down here, and you can create an object. Already an object will be there, offer object. And if you want to add, just go to the offers. I just added the offer. For example, I'm just going to add the number, description, testing, and discount is 5. That's it. I'm just clicking a save, and it's adding. Now what you are going to do is like we want to display this in a customized way. For that, again going to the admin panel. What I am going to do is like I'm just going to create a class called product admin. I just follow the naming convention, just following the camel case, product admin. Now what I'm going to do is like I'm just going to inherit a class from this model admin. There's a class called model admin. What we'll do is like in this model admin class, right, it will provide all the common functionality for managing the models in the admin area. So by deriving this class from this model admin, our class, this product admin, also inherits all the common functionality. Now what I'm going to do is like in the body of the class, I can override or change some of the functionality attribute. For example, in this class model admin, right, we have the attribute called list underscore display. So this list underscore display, what we'll do is like we can specify the attributes or columns that should be visible in this table. Now I will be setting it as a tuple, and we'll add one or more columns from the product class. For example, in our model we have name. I want to display the name. That's it, name. And I want to display the price and stock. That's it, and just price, and then displaying the stock. That's it. And what I'm going to do is stock. Now if I refresh the table, let's see. Okay, it's not reflecting over here. Okay, I forgot to mention, we need to pass this as one of the argument to the register method. Just registering it over here. That's it. If I refresh the page now, see here, now it is listing in a customized way like name, price and stock. Now what we can do is like we can do the same thing for offer also, just by creating a class for offers model, offer model. And then here what I'm going to do is like we need to display only code and description. That's it, code and description. That's it. I'm just removing this one. And similarly, we need to pass this module, this class offer admin. This offer admin. That's it. If I refresh it over here, now let's see. just refreshing this page, see it is displaying in a customized way. Now in this video what we did, it is like from this models or from this table, what it is like, we explained about how to display or how to integrate in the administrative panel, and in the administrative panel how to display our details in a customized way. So in the next video what I'm going to do is like how to display these products, right? We have this product like name, price and stock to the public user, because this admin panel will only visible to admins. Any anonymous user or a registered user will not access to this page or panel. Instead what they will do is like they will go to directly over here and just make use of products. For example, just make use of this one in the another tab, just adding it over here, just adding these products, and now it is printing hello world, but it should return all this list like name, price and stock it over here. So we'll see it in the next video. And also like what we'll do is like we need to display the list of products like pineapple, peach, strawberry, right? It should be in the beautiful grid. We'll see in the upcoming videos for that. If you have any doubts on implementing this in the Django framework in the administrative panel, just add in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.